I just made mashed potatoes from my garden and mixed with some from the store. And I'm using the Mix and Chop from Pampered Chef. This is the Pampered Chef Stoneware-Bar Pan. I'm preheating the oven. I'm going to be roasting some more vegetables from my garden in here. I'm going to be using Pampered Chef garlic and herb rub seasoning, and I've got some garlic salt with parsley. My squash are so small because some bugs attacked the plants and I had to just cut my losses. So I'm going to be cooking these today. Here I've got turnips from my garden and I've got squash from my garden, and I'm going to peel them and cut them. Peeled one. Okay, I cut it all up. Now I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil. Now I'm going to put garlic salt with parsley. Now I'm putting it in the oven on 375 we're going to put it for 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.